Here's a favourite side dish of mine, the Catalonian escalivada. It means vegetables cooked over fire and smoke. And here it is as barbecue lamb. We match that with a stunning steak and charred crispy potatoes. Eggplants on, capsicums, 2 onions, 1 head of garlic. There's good colour on those capsicums, like that. Give those a turn. Keep them going till the skin is dry and cracking. Place those into a bowl and cling wrap. They'll cool. The steam will actually release the skins and then we can clean them up. Eggplants can come off. The garlic has now softened nicely, so that can also come off. Now add 2 tomatoes. When the tomato skin blisters, give them a spin. When those tomatoes shed their skins, remove from the heat. When a skewer goes through without any resistance like that, they are ready. Remove that, and with your fingers, it is just such an easy thing to do. It just comes off super clean, just warm enough to handle, and that's the outside. Open that up, and then with the back of the knife, scrape away those seeds, which can be a little bit bitter. Slice the capsicum, the eggplant onto a board, and remove the end. Cut in half. With a fork, scrape away the flesh. Cut the eggplant, place that onto the capsicum. Peel the onion skin away, exposing that luscious, beautiful, sweet, smoky inside of an onion. Remove and break open. That is stunning. Grab the garlic, open the cloves. Using your hands, just squeeze out that soft, brown, smoky garlic clove. Chop the garlic, place that on the onions. Grab the skin and peel that off. Cut into quarters. Roughly chop. Place your tomatoes into the dish. Chop 1 cup of fresh parsley. Place that onto the other ingredients. Salt, cracked black pepper, a glug of good extra virgin olive oil. Fold that through gently. A little Spanish sherry vinegar over the top, about a tablespoon, 15 mils, and give that a little mix, and that there is done.